Hello, I'm Ashley Barstow and I'm here at Final Touch Cleaners in Southern California to discuss a revolutionary shirt finishing system. The Fujistar shirt system is a remarkable and efficient dry cleaning system that will increase profit and decrease hassle. The three-part shirt press system has been called the world's finest and fastest shirt finishing system. These three machines have a compact design and do double the work in half the space. They're energy efficient for reduced fuel consumption. We're here today to take a closer look at this equipment. These fantastic machines have been manufactured for 30 years with over 7,000 units sold. They started importing the machines in 1984 and they were an instant success. They came to Southern California to see if they could reintroduce the all-new Fujistar system to North America. Fujistar was the first to introduce the vacuum buck in the 80s. Now they are the only dry cleaning manufacturer with a vacuum buck on the collar cuff machine. They are also the first and only company with a robotics unloader and the only company with all spring padding. I'm here with Ron Schubert, president of Fujistar Shirt Systems. Hi Ron, let's talk a bit about your company and in particular this shirt finishing system.
Hi, yes, Fujistar is a renowned company with unsurpassed speed and quality. Few companies can even come close to our production rate and fully automatic operation that paces the operator instead of the other way around. There are so many aspects to our equipment that surpass the competitors, I don't even know where to start. But I think the most compelling benefit to the Fujistar system is that we produce between 200 and 300 shirts per hour, while the competitors only produce less than 100 shirts per hour on average. That's double the production and therefore increased profits. I believe that's why so many other companies don't focus on their shirt production rate as a selling point. Fujistar is unsurpassed in speed and production.
So tell me a bit more about the three components of the Fujistar shirt finishing system.
Fujistar is an amazing shirt finishing system that's made up of three compact and fast machines. Double buck shirt press, the double sleeve press, and the quadruple triple head. First, let me show you this collar and cuff machine. It's a quadruple triple head that holds 4 shirts at a time and produces over 200 shirts per hour. The press cylinder is extremely powerful and produces over 500 pounds of pressure per square inch, the highest in the industry. This machine is the only one in the market that is fully automatic. It turns by itself with a preset timer and a preset turning timer, so the machine paces the operator and not the other way around. This is the only machine of its kind that adjusts the head and buck temperature for any fabric from cotton to polyester. It's the only machine with a vacuum buck to hold the shirt in place while it does the work. You don't have to worry. Now, let me show you the sleever. It's the only double sleever in the industry, so it gives you the ability to achieve over 200 shirts per hour. That's way above and beyond the production rate of other companies' sleevers, and the quality is excellent. The cuff clamps are on both sides. This is the only sleever that has this. It holds the shirt sleeves even when it goes into press. It has a third hand that presses the center of the shirt tight to give a perfectly finished sleeve. The extra large airbags stretch even the largest shirt sleeves. All the operator has to do is measure the sleeve, press the button, and the rest is automatic. That's it. It's that simple, accurate, and easy and efficient.
So far, this system sounds great. It sounds like the Fujistar shirt system is unsurpassed in quality and speed. So what's the third component?
The third piece of equipment in this amazing shirt finishing system is the buck unit. It's truly one of a kind. The bucks are specially designed to handle ladies' blouses as well as men's large shirts. Also, the super large vacuum holds the shirt in place while you're pressing. This machine is also automatic and turns by itself, so you can simply adjust the press time, turn the timer, and the machine does the rest. Plus, all the spring padding means no broken buttons and no changing steel pads. And the biggest appeal is the robotics unloader. It unloads the buck, puts the shirt on a collar former, and brings it back to the operator. There's nothing else like it in the industry. These are all the reasons why Fujistar has been the industry leader for over 30 years.
Okay, so we've heard from Ron Schubert, president of Fujistar Systems, but what about the actual users of the equipment? I'm here with George Shiguri, owner of Final Touch Cleaners. George has been in the dry cleaning business for over 20 years. Welcome, George.
Thank you.
I know you use the Fujistar system. How long have you been using it now?
About 6 months.
And what impact has it made on your business and profits?
I'm still amazed at the impact this system has made on my business. Not only it is extremely operator friendly, but it's also helped me increase the volume of productivity. Before using the Fujistar system, I would often have to stay late in the evening to finish the volume of shirts that would come in. This system is great because it's quick, efficient, and professional.
About how many shirts per day can you process using the Fujistar system?
Approximately 1,500 shirts per day.
You've obviously used other shirt systems over the years. How does the Fujistar stand up to the competition?
The Fujistar system is the most efficient on the market today.
Has the speed and efficiency of over 200 shirts per hour increased your profits at all?
Yes, my previous machine would produce only 80 shirts per hour using the same amount of labor.
Would you recommend the Fujistar system to other dry cleaning businesses?
Yes, it performs at a faster rate and the quality is far superior.
Would you consider buying another Fujistar system for your business, George?
Yes, I'm in the process of purchasing another Fujistar system now.
Thank you for sharing all this information about this amazing system with us today, George.
Thank you.
Now I'd like to introduce Henry, owner of Arlene Cleaners in Southern California, who recently purchased a Fujistar shirt finishing system. Thanks for speaking with us today, Henry.
Thanks, Ashley.
How did you benefit from buying the Fujistar shirt system?
First and foremost, we no longer have to pay overtime. I can finish all the work before the end of the day. My employees can go home and relax. Our work hours are reduced by using the Fujistar system.
How many shirts do you press a week?
We process about 10,000 shirts a week. Because of the Fujistar system, we are now expanding our volume.
It's been a pleasure speaking with you today, Henry. I'm standing here with George Afifi, owner of Celebrity Cleaners. George, we heard that you owned a Fujistar system back in the 1980s.
Yes, Ashley, we had. Then we made the mistake of changing to a different rotary system. We have now purchased a new Fujistar system, which is meeting our production needs.
George, what are the most impressive features of the Fujistar system?
The speed and performance have increased both profit and productivity.
Thanks so much for sharing your experiences of the Fujistar system with us today, George.
You're welcome.
Let's let the Fujistar systems speak for themselves.
This Fujistar system is capable of up to 300 shirts per hour. Our systems are easily maintained. Most parts are readily available if needed.
Well, we've heard a lot about the Fujistar shirt finishing system, and I believe it's safe to say that this is a remarkable set of equipment that can truly benefit the dry cleaning business. Innovative and efficient, the Fujistar system is loaded with many unique time-saving features and profit-building aspects. It's hard to imagine running a dry cleaning business without it. Even the most reputable competitors seem to pale in comparison to the Fujistar's three-piece finishing system. I'd like to thank Mr. Ron Schubert for talking with me today. I'm Ashley Barstow. Thank you for joining us.